Hmm. So for few minutes back, what do you call it? I can apologize because I feel like I get triggered very easily. So look, I went out to buy my snack and I came home back and the suspects are still living here. I thought of like they left, but from last night they were still here. Only the what do you call it? They cleared of the. I don't know they are the suspects. I don't know, and I don't want to call them suspects now. I just want to call them. Why should I be this way now? I'm giving it away equally. Everyone enjoy, you know. And I get triggered. What happened? You know, in Mumbai, in my house, I was triggered as misophonia, triggered from misophonia very badly. So uh, I had that. I knew what was happening because uh, that's the stuff used for to create someone crazy. That guy should go crazy. Eh? I and I already I have been to. I have done a lot of research. I write on mental conditions and misophonia. I won't know. It's a normal thing. So. Uh, So as if I felt like that someone was triggering misophonia and I did my lalochesia. That's called lalochesia. The stuff which I do. Releasing yourself. Lalochesia. Of which is the what do you call it? You have to what do you call it? In such the situation which I was not a normal situation. Trust me on this. It was not a normal situation. I have to do lot of sports in my life. I have to do lot of sports in my life to for past 2 years to get what do you call it? Get the clearance. Lot and lot of. Still today I feel like that I want to go 2 years back and I want to do exactly the same thing which I did and I want to what do you call it? Grasp more information which I have forgotten and so about this 2 years. I think this bad because I gotta write this all and what do you call it? अरे मैं सबका है आई एम ऑलवेज देयर डोंट वरी अबाउट एनीवन सिर्फ मेरा थोड़ा भड़काऊ स्वभाव है आई व्हाट डू यू कॉल इट आई गेट triggered very fast and but I immediately I cool down after few time I cool down मैंने झगड़ा भी किया है ना दूसरे दिन मैंने बोला सॉरी सॉरी है दूसरे दिन झगड़ा करने के बाद सॉरी मेरे से बात मत कर चाहिए तो लेकिन मुझे माफ़ कर बस ऐसा ऐसा हम मतलब है और सिर्फ मेरे बाप को नाम मत बता क्योंकि हमारा बचपन से क्या है मालूम है क्या कोई भी कंप्लेंट लेके गया ना तो वो नहीं देखेंगे कि हमारे बच्चे ने क्या किया है वो हमेशा हमको ही मारते उनकी उन्होंने क्या किया सामने वाले ने क्या किया कभी नहीं हमको ही ये करते तो इसलिए हमको बहुत संभल के रहना पड़ता था वेस्ट में कि किसी से दोस्ती नहीं ये नहीं हम लोग बहुत मार खाया है मी माई ब्रदर माई बोथ द सिस्टर्स हम लोग बहुत मार खाते थे घर पे एक ने गलती किया चारों की धुलाई ऐसा हमारा बचपन था so they are the one that's the stuff why we are achieved and why we are successful we have done good in our life entire family has four of the children have done good in their life except my thing is stopped my elder brother is disturbed lately from after his marriage and though he was also doing good in his life after his marriage समझा and what do you call it So I kind of feel bad when I, what do you call it, say bad stuff. And about the cyberbullying, why I don't answer, cyberbullying. I know there might be some cyberbullying happening against me. They might be making fun of me. I don't answer that because I am not supposed to answer that. I'm not supposed to, what do you call it, react on that. I only have to give my side, which was from past 2 years, and which they are doing the cyberbullying from past 12 years, which I had no clue. Same way till today. I had no clue. The West people have started this. So internet is a viral thing, right? So everyone keeps on joining. So that's why I don't answer. I am not supposed to answer. If any guy is going through this, you are not supposed to answer. You only give your side. That's it. Let them bully you. The world takes care of them. You did evil. You did bad. No, right? Who is doing evil? Who is doing bad? And why they are doing it? What's the purpose behind it? It's clean and clear to the world. So never answer this. Never. You are not supposed to answer if someone bullies you online. Such this cyber thing. That's what I said. It's very easy to destroy anyone after 2012. The Mayan calendar, remember, I wrote it down. The stuff is, Android came in 2009. And in 2012, according to the Mayan calendar, the world was going to get destroyed. In 2012, everyone had the Android phones. It was too damn easy to, spoil anyone's within a comment, within a wrong post. So it was too damn easy after 2012. So Mayan calendar was right. End means, that means a new beginning. End means end of innocence and beginning of the chaos. That was the new. So the world did end that year. That's a dangerous situation. In 2012, everyone had an Android. See, you go into your past. 2012, from 2012, everyone had an Android. It was easily available. It became so, less costly to buy an Android phone. Me, though, I am quitting Android after this case. जो समझता नहीं वो लेने का नहीं. क्या बोलते हैं, तलवार चलाने को नहीं आता है तो खरीदने का ही नहीं. क्या क्या है इसमें, क्या समस्या है अपने को. इट्स वेरी इजी टू गेट ट्रिक्ड एंड ट्रैक्ड. मेरे जैसे को तो नहीं लेना चाहिए कभी. तो नॉर्मल फ़ोन ठीक है, वो जो पुराने रहते हैं. पर हमारा काम चलता है ना यार, कभी जैसे कि है ना, तो अभी ओल्ड, आई हैव टू वर्क ओल्ड फैशन वे. टाइपराइटर, फिर जो पुराने फ़ोन वो ट्रिंग वाले, हैं, रिमेंबर दैट दोज ट्रिंग phone. So I kind of say sorry that one who did the water splashing thing. I should kind of say sorry, and I felt like I was getting triggered that someone wanna wash away my this thing, my career. Look, I'll tell you, no one washes anyone's career. No one washes anyone's life. It's up to you. You want to get washed up by them? So many people tried to destroy me. Till today, the world is the witness. So many people must be trying till today. Did I get destroyed? Do I bother? Do I bother anything? Do I feel like that I am destroyed? No. I got the best story of my life. I still don't know. It's what do you call it? It's reality, fiction, or a schizophrenic paranoid. So, Make your career. If career is there, everything is there. Make your career. Focus on that. You'll find your love from, what do you call it? Wherever your love is, wherever your destiny is, your love will come to you. If you make your career, it will happen. Don't worry. Make your career. If you won't make your love is never gonna come to you. That's what it is. If you make your career, then you know how to reach him, and he also knows how to reach you. You make your career first. Give yourself an identity. Give yourself an, what do you call it? Parents gave you name. Only when you were born, parents only gave you the name. Where did that name travel? It should travel the world, right? My name, I guess, I think it has traveled till NASA and aliens as well. है ना? नहीं क्या? Mermaids in Mariana Trench, below the Mariana Trench, they must be searching. Who is this guy? Huh? No, na? Not that deep him, na? So have fun and do what you got to do and never regret your decision. Learn from it and have fun. Make your career. This love affair and all this stuff is, what do you call it? It's not gonna. It's there. It's a, what do you call it? But you're watching. You want that thing permanently, right? It's not that at some phase you will have it and then you don't want it. It's not that like that it should ruin it. Make your career. Keep yourself busy. Keep your loved one busy. Forget the world, forget the bullying. Remember yourself. That's the only thing. Remember yourself, your family and everything. And your surroundings, everyone. Who are good to you and who are bad to you, don't react. Never react. Don't even look at them. As if you, what do you call it? They never exist. If bad people you give the preference, you see them and you give the notice them, and they see that you are noticing them, they'll be more bad in your life. Don't notice them. Write it down.